Excuse me. Do you mind if I take your photo? So I randomly go up to people, take their photos, and post
Really?
yeah,
Yeah,
post
sure.
them in the scenes on my
Sure.
social media.
Okay, this is not part of my outfit, so
That's fine. Sure. Can you stand here for me? The light is coming from this side. What's your name, by the way?
Felicity.
Felicity.
Yes, what's your name?
Juby.
Juby?
Yeah. Nice to meet you too. You can, yeah, the sun is directly on your face. Yeah, perfect. Just stand like that. Can you grow? Yeah. Can you stand here for me, please? Thank you. Are you in a rush?
No, okay.
Thank you. Yeah, can you give me a side pose? Yeah, the other way. Yeah.
With sunglasses or no?
With sunglasses, please. Oh, nice.
Sorry, I don't know how to pose.
That's fine. I think those came out really good.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh my god. Can I access them anywhere?
Of course, I'll send them to you if you want.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Do you have an Instagram? Or?
I do
okay,
have
great.
an Instagram. I'll be posting a video.
Oh, okay, cool. Amazing.
Yeah, the first one. Yeah, that
I
is
am
me.
one enough?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Thank you.
I look
Nice
forward to
meeting
seeing
you.
Nice meeting you.
Good day. Excuse me. Do you mind if I take your photo? It is on my social media. So I basically go up to people, take their portraits, and post the behind the scenes on my social media.
Right.
Yeah.
What's your social media?
Let me show you. So that is my page.
Oh, right. If you want.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you. What's your name, by the way?
Stephanie.
Nice to meet you. I'm Juby.
Hello.
Hi.
What do you want me to do?
Can you stand up here for me, please?
Stand up. Worry about my bag.
That's fine. I'll be here. Just stand like that, please. Can you cross your legs for me, please? Yeah. I'll take one more. There you go, Stephanie.
Okay.
Thank you.
Interesting.
Thank you so much for your
you're
time.
welcome. Where can I find them?
Instagram.
On Instagram.
Yeah.
And what's your handle?
It's a wonder. No, that is me.
I don't think I was the most relaxed I've ever been, but
Oh,
okay.
really?
Okay. Okay,
Wonder,
yeah.
no.
Okay. Thank you.
Have a nice day. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, no worries.
Excuse me, miss. Do you mind if I take your photo? It is for my social media. So I basically go up to people, take their photos, and post the results on my social media.
I don't mind.
Thank you. I like your style. That's why.
Thank you.
You can just sit like that. I'll take a photo. We will take a couple more.
Well, I'm not very photogenic, so I apologize.
Yeah, that's fine. These are actually good. Can you stand here for me, please, if it's okay? Thank you. What's your name, by the way?
Linka?
Sorry?
Linka?
Linka. My name is Juby.
Okay.
Nice to meet you. There you go.
Yeah, that one is nice.
Thank you. Thank
Oh, I
you.
look very hot.
Thank you so much for your time. Just have a nice day.
Okay, bye.
Excuse me, do you mind if I take a photo?
What was that?
Do you mind if I take a photo?
How come?
I'll show you what I do. So actually, I have a social media page. So I take pictures of people like this. I like your style. Taking a photo.
How long will it take?
Maybe 1 minute.
1 minute. Okay, why not?
Thank you.
What should I do?
Sorry.
Should I just like keep my headphones?
Just
or
casually, yeah.
whatever?
Keep your headphones. Just
Okay.
look at me. That's it. Can you look to the? Yeah, that's it. I'll take one more.
Okay.
Can you stand like this? I mean, yeah.
Like this?
yeah. And give me a look. Yeah, that's it. What's your name?
Holly.
Holly, nice to meet you. I'm Jubin. One more.
Cool.
Thank you.
Very, very casual. I don't normally have photos with these on. I'm just like enjoying the sun. Cool.
That's
Thank you so
fine.
much. And what
Cheers.
was your name on Instagram?
It's Wonder Not. I'll show you.
We got there, you know, really
I'll send them all if you want. So guys, me.
My internet's not very good. Oh, thank you.
Cheers. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Have a good evening.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.